Good day, everyone. This is the proposed system of ICTA Group 5 titled Senior High School Fingerprint Attendance Monitoring. First, we're gonna open our admin account to open our admin page. In this page, we can see grade 11 and grade 12 strands. Now let's try to open ABM strand. As you can see, there's a list of sections of grade 11 ABM. Here, we can click the delete button to delete a section. And we can click the add section to add a section. We just need to input the required data to add a section. We can click any rows to see the list of students on that section. Now we can add students. Let's just input the needed or required data to add a section. As you can see, this form requires an ID for fingerprint. This is the purpose of that. In this, we're gonna enroll the ID or the ID tree to enroll a fingerprint. In this page, we can see the admin and the user or section account. In this page, we can add an admin account. Here, we can update our section account. Now, we're gonna open our section account. Now, we are on the weekly attendance. We can see their grade level, strand, and the name of section with the name of their teacher or advisor. We can see their scheduled time and date. In this table, we can see the status of student, each of their time and date schedule. You can see their status like present early, present, cutting class, and late. Now we are on the record section. In this table, we can see the records of each student each month. In this, we can easily download this table in PDF format. Now we are on the monthly records. We can see the exact date and the status of the student. We can download this table too in PDF format. Now, this is how our fingerprint scanner works. If the fingerprint scan correctly, LCD will show fingerprint OK with the green LED light. And if the fingerprint is incorrect, the LCD will show a fingerprint not recognized and the red LED light will light up. That's all. Thank you.